Oh guys, welcome. In this video, let's see how to teleport with Gojo in Jujutsu Shenanigans Roblox in the easiest way. To teleport with Gojo, you need to understand the basic mechanics. First, equip the Gojo character. Next, familiarize yourself with Gojo's abilities. The key to teleportation lies in the S Special Ability button. Basic teleportation. Use Lapse Blue, Ability 1, to pull an enemy towards you. Immediately after, press the S Special button. This should teleport you to the enemy's location. Advanced teleportation. Combine Lapse Blue with Reversal Red, Ability 2 for a quicker teleport. The exact timing is crucial, but practice makes perfect. Timing is everything. Successful teleportation hinges on precise button presses. Experiment with different timings to find what works best for you. Remember, teleportation is a powerful tool, but it's not invincible. Be mindful of your surroundings and enemy movements. That's it for the video, and thanks for watching till the end. Do consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel.